gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and
Compact phones have always sparked debate in the smartphone world. Because of their smaller size, they usually struggle with things like battery life, heat management, and even performance compared to bigger devices, which is something most users worry about. But last year, OnePlus 15T managed to break that pattern. It delivered performance and battery life that could easily go toe-to-toe with larger flagship phones. Naturally, when the OnePlus 15T arrived a year later, it immediately caught my attention. And after seeing its promotional image, my excitement only grew. So for this video, I decided to switch over to the OnePlus 50T as my daily driver and share what it's really like to use this compact powerhouse by taking you through a typical day with me. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. I usually start my mornings with a jog, carrying a waist bag for my phone and earphones. With its 6.32-inch display, the OnePlus 15T fits perfectly inside without any hassle. Even if I need to reply to messages mid-run, using it with one hand feels effortless. On top of that, the phone boasts a 95.4% positive feedback ratio, and its bezels are just 1.1 millimeters, evenly slim on all four sides. Compared to other compact flagships, it clearly stands out. After all, when we talk about small screen phones, we're really talking about smaller bodies, so maximizing screen-to-body ratio while keeping the width manageable just makes everything look cleaner and more refined. After finishing my run, I head home for a shower. The moment I step out and turn off the water, I notice a message on my phone. The OnePlus 15T now comes with ultrasonic in-display fingerprint unlocking, so even if your fingers are slightly wet, unlocking is quick and reliable. It also supports Rain Touch 2.0, which helps prevent screen flickering or touch issues caused by water droplets. Combined with IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K level dust and water resistance, the phone feels much more secure and durable in everyday situations, and it's especially useful for people who spend a lot of time outdoors. As someone who mainly commutes by car, I've noticed that many new energy vehicles now include wireless charging as a standard feature. The OnePlus 15T supports 50 watts wireless charging, which means I can simply place it on the charging pad and let it power up during my drive. Compared to plugging in a cable through the cigarette lighter port, this feels far more convenient and seamless. Once I arrive at my office building, I use NFC to unlock access and connect to the office Wi-Fi. Here's a quick tip. ColorOS includes a masked card optimization feature. If your simulated encrypted card doesn't work right away, try placing your phone on the reader a few times to optimize it. You might be surprised by how well it works afterward. After settling in at my desk, it's time to get to work. I've installed Oppo Connect on my office computer, which allows me to transfer files between my phone and PC using the built-in sharing feature. At the same time, notifications from my phone sync directly to my computer, helping me stay focused without constantly checking my device. It even lets me remotely control my computer from my phone, which is incredibly handy for quickly handling simple tasks when I'm away from my desk. Before I know it, it's already 11 a.m., which means lunch. My cafeteria weighs food to reduce waste and offers a wide range of dishes. After eating, I usually check the calorie count. So I simply long press the power button to activate Xiaobu Assistant and use the screen chat feature, which lets me ask questions about what I'm seeing in real time. It's surprisingly convenient. After lunch, I head back for a 1-hour break. The OnePlus 15T is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 platform, and it features a 165Hz ultra-high refresh rate display. It handles most popular shooting games effortlessly, making it one of the top-performing options among compact smartphones. When it comes to pushing gaming performance to the limit, the OnePlus 15T delivers some seriously impressive numbers. During extended testing, it maintained an average of 165.2 FPS over 30 minutes, all while consuming just 4.4 watts of power. Looking deeper into how it manages this, the CPU scheduling shows that the two high-performance cores stayed around 1 GHz, while the mid-cores mostly operated below 1.5 GHz. The 6 mid-cores averaged about 50% utilization, with one high-performance core barely active and the other hovering around 40%. All of this clearly highlights how efficiently the system is tuned. Next, I push things further with high graphics settings in the bend tunnel challenge mode. Since the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 can easily handle 60 FPS, I enabled super frame rate to see if it could hit 90 FPS. This time, I used a custom one-click script to keep the character running along the same path with a fixed camera angle. That way, every run had identical conditions, making the results much more accurate. And honestly, the outcome was surprising. Despite its compact size, the OnePlus 15T delivered a perfectly smooth 90 FPS experience at the highest graphics settings in this mode. What's interesting is that this performance heavily relies on the high-performance cores, which consistently ran between 1.1 GHz and 1.7 GHz. CPU usage data backs this up too, with one core handling over 60% of the workload, while the other adjusts dynamically depending on the scene. By balancing performance and power consumption so well, the phone keeps heat under control while maintaining stable frame rates. There's no doubt that OnePlus has done an excellent job with its gaming optimization. Beyond raw performance, the phone also benefits from its custom distributed gaming kernel and the G2 eSports network chip. It can easily max out a router's 2.5G bandwidth, and more importantly, the signal stability is outstanding. Even when stepping out briefly or moving through multiple walls, the Wi-Fi connection remains strong. In fact, it can still handle short video transfers through 4 walls without any issues. Reliable connectivity is a basic expectation, but the OnePlus 15T really stands out here. It's been raining a lot lately, but with the weather finally clearing up, it felt like the perfect time to head out and test the camera. The OnePlus 15T features a 3.5x periscope telephoto lens, which is quite rare for a compact phone, and it supports up to 7x lossless optical zoom. Paired with Oppo's Lumo imaging system, the results are impressive, delivering rich natural colors with a true flagship feel. Starting with clarity, I used the 7x zoom to capture distant text, and even after zooming in, everything remained sharp and readable. The same level of detail carries over to video with support for up to 120x digital zoom and upgraded recording capabilities like 4K at 120 FPS and even 8K at 30 FPS. In terms of resolution, it absolutely holds its ground against larger flagship devices. The 3.5x telephoto lens isn't just great for landscapes, it also performs really well for portraits. The results look clean and well balanced. What stood out even more was how, during a dinner with friends in a mall, the phone quickly detected a QR code in the corner, even under low light conditions. Even if photography isn't your main focus, having strong hardware and smart algorithms like this makes everyday tasks much easier. Overall, the imaging experience on the OnePlus 15T is genuinely impressive, both in terms of detail and color accuracy. With its rare periscope telephoto setup and flagship-level algorithms inherited from Oppo, it delivers a camera experience that feels very close to larger high-end phones. After wrapping up dinner, I got home around 11 p.m., and surprisingly, the battery was still at 42%. It's honestly impressive that a compact flagship like this packs a massive 7,500 mAh battery. If you're not gaming heavily, it can easily last up to 2 days on a single charge without any battery anxiety. And when you do need to top up, the 100-watt fast charging is incredibly quick. Even if the phone is completely drained in the morning, just 10 minutes of charging can bring it up to around 24%, which is basically the time it takes to get ready. With wireless charging added into the mix, battery life becomes even less of a concern. After spending a full day with it, the OnePlus 15T truly proves that a small screen phone doesn't have to compromise. From battery life to gaming performance, it matches what you'd expect from larger devices. The ultra-high refresh rate display and flagship-level camera system were both pleasant surprises. Among compact flagships, this is one of the most well-rounded options available right now. If you're someone who prefers smaller phones, travels frequently, or you're a student who values strong performance for gaming, then the OnePlus 15T is definitely worth considering as a top pick for the first half of this year. With storage prices rising across the industry, it might be a good idea to grab one sooner rather than later. And that's it for today's video. And if you have any questions about this compact powerhouse, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.